standing by. Ellie, it could make landfall within minutes right now. Give us a little flavor of what you're seeing. It looks awful.
Well, we talked a few minutes ago. It's actually, I think we're catching a break in one of the bands before the, this is probably the calm before the storm, because as you know, the last time I talked to you, it was hard to actually stand up. We're seeing a dramatically increased police presence around here, making sure nobody's on the streets, because at 6 o'clock Eastern, 1 hour from now, they want everybody who doesn't have a reason to be outside, inside their homes. You heard from the mayor who said a number of people haven't left. That worries them, but at this point, if you haven't left, don't go out. You probably can't get out of Atlantic City anyway because the roads have become overwashed.